Is lead magnet. So in this video we are going to see what exactly the lead magnet is. So there are so many people who asking this particular question to me, Shivai, what is lead magnet? So basically, let me tell you, when you want to have an email of somebody and you are running the ad on Facebook and Instagram, or maybe sometimes people are using the Google ad also. So when you are doing that, in order to take their email, you have to provide the value to the people, right? So it's like, when you wanting to take the help from someone, you are reaching out to them, they are going to help you, but in order to do that, they ask something from you. So that's called providing the lead magnet to them, right? So whenever, as a email marketer, you want to help somebody, you want to take their email in order to use that particular email to sell something to them, maybe your product or maybe your services, by providing the right value. So in order to do that, you have to give them something for free, maybe a checklist, maybe a ebook, you can give it to them. Maybe sometimes people are giving the video to them, sometimes people are asked them to come to the webinar, right? So these all the things will happen. But what is lead magnet? Lead magnet is providing something for free, in exchange of their email, right? Once you provide a checklist to them, yeah, these are the 5 things which you can do in order to improve yourself in the YouTube, and you can become successful in the YouTube if you do this particular 5 thing. You're providing the checklist to these people, but at the same point of time, you are exchanging that checklist with the email. Once you got their email, now your job is to provide them a lot of value with the email. You are, I think, it's a 3-to-1 ratio. Three emails you are providing to them in order to make them successful, and one video is your promotional video. Yeah, these are the 3 things which you can do, which I already shared with you in the previous 3 emails. But if you want to make your successful journey very easy, so I have a course for you. So that's how you can promote yourself, right? So that's called email, that's called lead magnet. When you are providing something for free in exchange of money, that's called lead magnet. So if you like this particular video, make sure to comment down below what are the things which you learned from this video. You can follow me. I cannot say follow me, you can connect with me in the Instagram, where I'm going to post every single day, which will gonna help you to become a good email marketer. Thank you so much.